shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
My Lord, this is on oath by affirmation.
Okay. Yes.
Mr. Godfrey.
Yes, yes, please.
Okay, can you hear me right?
Yes, I try to hear you.
Okay. Okay. Please tell me.
Maybe Mr. Kerry, maybe you should come closer to the system.
Okay. All right, please tell this court name.
My name is Besha Gospel, I hope, HR Manager, International Bureaus.
I don't know if my Lord has recorded that.
I've taken his name.
Has court.
His address.
Please tell this court your address.
Okay. So International Breweries is located in Imor Road in Elisha, but our head office is plot 5A, Banana Island, Lagos. So,
Plot 5A, Banana Island, Lagos.
yes, please.
Abuja Street.
Abuja Street, yes, Desiderata.
Okay. Yes.
Who the claimants in this?
I got to know the claimant after the decease of my employee.
Okay. After the death of this employee.
Yes.
Yes.
Do you know the second defendant in this case?
Yes, I also got to know the second defendant in this case after the death of my employee, and I've also had I also met her in person because she came to our facility on our request for some documentation. I met her in person as well after the death of my engaged employee, my deceased employee. Yeah.
Okay. Now, witness, as you're giving your evidence, take it easy because my Lord is recording you.
Oh, okay, okay. I'll take it slower. Apologies.
Yes.
All right. Recall that on the 7th day of June, 2024, you made a witness deposition on oath in this court.
Yes, I did.
2020.
7th June.
Yes.
If you see that your witness deposition, will you be able to identify it?
Yes, I will be able to identify it.
How will you identify it?
It has my signature on it.
All right. You made one of certain documents in your witness deposition.
What does he want about the documents? Sorry, about his
deposition.
Okay. What do you want the court to do with your deposition?
I want the court to use my deposition, my written statement on oaths as evidence in this case.
Yes.
Okay. Now, you made reference to certain documents in your witness deposition on oath.
Yes, I did.
If you see those documents, will you recognize them?
Yes, I will be able to recognize every one of them.
Okay.
Yes.
My Lord, I don't know if you shown to him or send that from him.
You said
Okay.
he has six documents, 5 documents, didn't he?
Yes, my Lord.
And Mr. Okere, the original documents.
Yes, my Lord. They are.
All of them.
Only one of them that is not original.
Which one is that?
The GT Bank online transfer advice.
Okay.
My Lord, it's original because we printed from how it was sent.
Okay. So how are you going to make the returns to Mr. Idara? You share them? Okay.
There's a particular document on it. Okay, I'll need to show them to you so you identify. This is a debt in beneficiary KYC.
Okay, why don't you start with the first one, employee biodata form filled by Mr. Asian Efio. That's number 1.
Okay.
You've listed.
Yes. Okay. The employee biodata form.
Huh?
The employee biodata form.
Yes.
This is a copy of it.
Yeah, I can see it. Yes, that's it.
Okay. My Lord, he has identified the employee biodata form.
Okay. The second one, death in beneficiary KYC form.
The debt in beneficiary KYC form.
Yes, please. That's my document.
The one. Okay. My Lord, he has identified this also.
Okay, GT Bank online transfer advice.
The GT Bank online advice. The both of them.
Yeah, the 2 of them. Yes, they're my documents.
Okay. My Lord, he has identified them.
There's the letter from the claimant and the response, huh?
Yes, my Lord. For the letter from the claimant's counsel, it has already been tendered by the claimants.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So we'll proceed with our response.
Okay.
Dated September 11.
Okay.
Yes.
Is this the response?
Yes, this is our response. My document, yes.
My Lord, he has the document.
Now, what about the WhatsApp messages?
My Lord, will be tendering them because the claimant has already admitted to the contents of the WhatsApp message. There is no point tendering them anymore.
The claimant has submitted the content.
Yes, my Lord.
And is the document before the court?
Yes, my Lord.
Is the document before the court?
We front-loaded it, my Lord.
Yeah, but it's still before the court.
My Lord.
Who tendered it?
No, we have not tendered.
That's what I'm saying. So the fact.
The purpose of that of the WhatsApp message is to show that some money, apart from the life assurance committee, that some money was also paid to the.
No, you see what I'm trying to say is that if it's not tendered before the court, you can't rely on it in making any argument.
If that is the case, my Lord,
Unless if you don't tender it.
My Lord, there won't be any need for it.
Yes, but the fact that the claimant has admitted the content, if it's not before the court, I can't refer to any to that document in the course of my findings or evaluation of evidence.
Yes, my Lord. My Lord, we will be abandoning that document.
Okay. And maybe if you want him to identify the solicitor's letter of 24th of August, maybe you can also retrieve it from the registry.
Please, may I, Registrar, the letter dated,
I think it's exhibit. Is the letter dated 4th of?
Yes, my Lord, it is.
56. REV 6A-6.
Okay. You also made reference to this letter. It is the letter written by the claimant solicitor to the first defendant.
Yes, from Sanctuary, yes.
Okay. My Lord, he has identified these documents.
Yes. So what do you want, Mr. Kerry?
My Lord, we will tender these documents in evidence.
Okay. Mr. Suko. Thank you. What is the first? What is the data something? Sorry, the GP something. Are there two documents?
Yes, my Lord, there are two documents because two payments to two individuals were made.
Okay, the payments were made to two individuals.
Yes, to the claimant and second defendant.
And where's your stapler? What's the status? Settle this. This one is one. So, first defendant's documents are admitted in evidence and marked as follows. Number one, employee biodata form, exhibit BRW 1A to E. Number two, death in beneficiary form, exhibit BRW 2A to E. Number three, GT Bank online transfer advice showing payment to the claimant and the second defendant, exhibit BRW 3A and B. Number four, letter dated 11th September 2023, exhibit BRW 4. Yes, Mr. Okeri.
My Lord, the witness having adopted his witness deposition and the document having been tendered, my Lord, that will be all for the witness.
Okay. Mr. Asuko.
Yes, my Lord.
Your witness, Mr. Asuko.
My Lord will commence.
Okay, sorry. It's I think it's Mr. It's Mr. Umoba. It's Mr. Umo that will start. Mr. Umo.
What is the defendant?
Mr. Obong. Obong Umo.
Thank you.
It's like we have lost Mr. Obong Umo.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Obong,
Yes, my lord.
you are the one to start.
Yes, my lord.
I said that we are done with the evidence in chief of DW1.
Yes, my lord, I'm following.
Any cross-examination?
My lord, no cross examination, my lord.
Okay, no cross-examination.
Yes, my lord.
Please, can I have the
Yes,
exhibit?
Mr. Asuko, yes.
Yes, witness. You by HR, by the rank, by HR people manager. Does that mean you are the head of administration?
Oh, by what?
My lord, the paragraph 1 of the statement of written statement on oath, you said that I am the HR people manager.
Okay, okay.
So my
Yes,
question is, does that mean that you are the head of administration in your establishment?
okay. Sorry, is it possible that I see the face of the barrister talking to the lawyer
Okay,
talking to me?
the lawyer.
Yeah. I'm not
Mr.
seeing his
He
face.
wants to see your face.
I'm only
Maybe you
seeing
want
his
to see my
hands.
face.
Maybe
I
you
don't
should
know.
sit down, please.
I'm only seeing his hands.
What do you want to
Yes.
use my face for?
Yes, I am the people manager, the HRO manager. So in my space, yes, I am the head, but then I'm not the head in the organization. So for my space in International Breweries Elisha, yes, I am the head of HR there. But head of HRO International Breweries Nigeria sits in Lagos. Don't know if that answers the question.
Did you hear him?
He said
You are the branch head.
he said he's the head in Elisha branch,
Okay.
not the overall.
Okay. Okay. Please, can I have the exhibit?
Mr. Okon, do you have
Give me.
extension? So 35%. I don't know whether if you have extension, you can. But it should be a long one.
Here is. Oh. I didn't want to give them. These exhibits are not complete.
Which of them are we looking for? Because
There
those
was
are what
exhibit 7.
which letter?
11. That's the last letter that I sent out.
Is it this letter you are referring to?
We tendered it.
No, I tendered it, so we can give him this a copy of this.
Give me that one. It's 4.
Yeah.
Yeah. Witness, in your exhibit 4, the letter in reaction to Sanctuary's letter, you indicated clearly that you will not make any payment.
Mr. Asuko, you are referring to exhibit what?
Exhibit BRW4.
That is the letter of 11th September.
Yes, my lord.
So what was the question?
You indicated in exhibit 4, your exhibit 4, that you will hold on payments till all misunderstandings are cleared and properly resolved. That is the last one paragraph of your exhibit 4. That's what you said. Come and take it.
However, there's a caveat there that also said that our team will be available to meet your family where so required, which we sent out invitation to the claimant and the second defendant to come to our organization. The claimant promised to come, and I also noticed that under oath, under his statement of oath, he lied, and I think that is perjury on his part, that he came to my organization and he documented and he was waiting for payment, which he never did. Okay, so we waited, he never visited us, and we made the payment because the letter you sent to us has clearly stated that we should not
Mr.
pay
Asuko,
to
what's the
him
question?
as the next of kin.
Hold on,
Okay.
Mr. Asuko.
Hold on a little.
Mr. Asuko, what's the question?
Well, my question is, in that letter, the last one paragraph, he said he was not going to make payment until all issues are resolved.
Yes, but he said that in the caveat that he invited the claimant and the second.
He has answered. He has answered. My next question: the defendant is a public limited company. Is it true?
Yes, please.
It's a public what?
Public limited company. It's a PLC.
Yes.
You are, yes.
The first defendant is a public limited company. Yes.
Yes.
It is true that you have a condition of service for your employees, for your staff.
Yes, please, we do.
Yes.
That they have foundation.
Condition
That
of
they have
service.
a condition of service for all his staff, their staff.
Okay.
They say yes.
We have conditions of service.
Yes, please.
For employees.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is this condition of service that you spell out conditions for employment and what guides the organization you employ.
I apologize, sir. There was a lot of echo and feedback. I didn't get the questions. Sorry.
Yes.
Yes, it is in this condition of service. It's what guides those and their company.
That what? In the condition of service is.
Service is what guides the company and those they employ.
I didn't get the.
My question is, I'm asking whether it is the condition of service as well to guide the employee and the company.
That the conditions of service guide
employee and the company.
Okay, did you get the question?
I think he's asking me. After saying yes, that we have. Okay.
He's asking.
I'm asking you. That I'm asking you.
Since you've said that you have conditions of service, whether those conditions of service are the terms and conditions that guide the relationship between the employer and our employees.
Yes.
Yes.
Can it be true to say that those conditions of service are contained in your handbook?
Yes, please.
Yes.
That what?
That those conditions of service are contained in the handbook of the company, of the first defendant.
Yes, they are contained in the handbook.
The handbook is still an exhibit?
It's not, sir.
Okay. Yes.
You do not have that handbook tendered before this court. You have not tendered that handbook before this court.
No, I have not tendered.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Yes.
Don't worry.
Yes. Yes.
No, you have now that. Okay. Exhibit BRW1. Standard reports.
That's the biodata form.
Biodata form only contains personal information used to employ. In this case, that of the disease, personal information of the disease, that is BRW1.
I didn't get your question. I didn't get your question.
Your employee biodata form contains only information touching on your employees. In this case, the disease. Is it true?
Not true. It covers both the employees and the next of kin and the death in service beneficiary, upon which are the beneficiary for the estate in case the employees dies. So it covers information of other people, not just my employee.
Very well. Say that again. The court wants to record you.
I said the employee biodata covers the data of my employee and also cover the next of kin of my employee and also covers the death in service beneficiary of my employee.
It covers the data of the
Disease.
and
The next of kin and the death in service beneficiaries. And the death in service beneficiaries.
Yes, my lord, I'm coming. You witness. Can I go on?
No.
Can I go on, sir? Witness, you are saying that any of your employee that have not served up to 5 years is not entitled to terminal benefit. Is that still your position?
Yes, that's still my position. Terminal benefit is from the company, while death in service beneficiary comes as insurance, because group life insurance, which is statutory, and we insure all our employees. Yes.
Take it easy, please. Mr. Gospar, take it easy. The court is recording you.
Who has
Okay.
not served up to 5 years is not entitled to
So,
terminal benefits.
yes.
And he's saying yes.
Yes, I'm saying yes, and I was not trying to distinguish terminal benefit and group
Don't
life
worry.
insurance. Okay. Okay.
Don't worry. Yes. Witness, you are saying that it's your contention that what had been paid out to the next of kin and death in beneficiary is the life assurance policy entered by the disease. Is that still your position?
So for clarity, we didn't pay anything to next of kin. We paid to death in service beneficiary. Yes, that is my position.
I don't understand.
My question is this, that what had been paid was life assurance policy, not terminal benefits.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. What
Had been paid?
What was paid in exhibits RBW 3A and B? Okay, BRW 3A and B is what?
It's life assurance policy.
Life assurance policy
of the disease.
Okay, of the deceased. Yes.
It's true that I have not tendered any document before this court to show that the disease entered into any life assurance policy while under employment. You have not tendered any document to show that the disease has entered into any life assurance policy while in the employment.
Okay, so life
you didn't
assurance.
Get the question?
I got it, and I want to quickly clarify, if I may.
You just said that.
Yes, no. Okay, let me say no. But for clarity, it is called group life assurance. So it is done in group, and it is done by the employer on behalf of all the employees. So there was nowhere, or there is no time any employer allows their employee to enter life assurance policy. They don't, and it's regulated by government. They don't.
Okay, the life assurance policy is not entered by the
employee. No.
Okay.
It is actually it is called group life assurance policy.
Okay, it is a group.
But it's a group life,
Okay.
yes, done by the organization on behalf of its employees. Yes, please.
Over all its employees.
So you said yes, you did not tender any the life assurance policy, but what we have is the group life assurance policy, not individual, and no employee is permitted to enter any life assurance policy, isn't it?
Group life, yes, group life. It is the responsibility of the employer to do that.
Okay.
That it is the duty of the employer.
Okay. Yes.
the duty of the employer to do that.
Yes.
You have not stated in your statement on oath that there is an establishment that entered that group policy for the employee.
Is there?
You have not stated in your readings that it is a company that enters into that group policy.
It is there, paragraph 8. It is there, paragraph 8.
Okay, paragraph what?
Paragraph 8.
Okay. Taking out about the first defendant to cover all his employees in the event of death of the deceased.
Answer my question.
It's stated in paragraph 8. It's there. Read it. Paragraph 8.
That in further response to paragraph 8 of the statement of facts, as the news has the disease is not entitled to having worked with the first defendant for less than 5 years. It is the policy of the first defendant that employees below 5 years of working duration with the first defendant are not entitled to rather, the disease beneficiaries are entitled to life insurance policy taken out by the first defendant to cover all the employees in the event of.
So is there.
Okay, witness. My next question is this. There is no document from the establishment that this policy is in existence before this court.
What is not before the court?
There is no document from the establishment that this policy is put in place by your organization for employees. It's not there.
There is no document, but we have the document.
There's no document saying what, Mr.
There's no document here to back that up. However, we have the documents.
You have the document?
Yes, please, we have the documents.
There's no document showing what?
It's saying that there's no document tendered here today to back the fact that we
what they have.
No, there's no document before the court, but
before the court, before they have it.
There is no document, but that document actually exists.
Yes.
Sorry, is it possible? Can I say something?
What do you want to say?
I just want to say that this group life insurance is statutory. So if we don't do it, yes, if we don't do it as an organization, we are even going to be in trouble. So we have the document, we have this things.
Okay.
It is mandated for employer to have it. It is mandated, please.
Because it is statutory. Yes?
Yes, please.
You have needed that anyone that was not home for 5 days is not entitled to criminal benefit. You have answered that question. My next question is that
Upon papers. Yes.
You have not tendered any document to show that policy of your company before this court. You have not.
I thought he has answered that.
Yes,
that
I have
he doesn't have
answered it.
any document before the court that the company had started Life assurance.
No, not life assurance. We're not talking about 5 years.
Okay.
He's saying anybody that works in the establishment below 5 years is not entitled to terminal benefits. And my question is, you don't have any document to that effect before this one.
But Mr. Supo, let me ask you. Are you okay? Are you asking for the in your reliefs? Did you ask for any terminal benefit in your reliefs? No, it's like you are the claimant. You are the claimant. Did you claim for any terminal benefit?
We are saying what was claimed was a terminal benefit. And he said no, because I'm not going to find it, I'm not getting to this. The only facilitated with them.
Okay. And the burden is on the defendant to prove that. It's not on the
No, but not it moves.
Okay. Okay, yes. Mr. Gospower, he said that you don't have any document showing that that somebody has to work for 5 years before he is going to be entitled to terminal benefits. He say you have not placed before the court any document showing that.
No, we don't have that, but in response to his first question, which is the employee handbook, we have that, and all employees are aware of this.
Okay, that's contained in the employee handbook.
Yes, please. It is clearly written there in the employee handbook. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then in his letter to us, he didn't specifically say he was requesting us not to pay terminal benefits, right? He didn't say that. Probably I would have been, yes, he didn't state that.
Mr. Asuka, when are you concluding? I say, do you still have?
No, I still have questions.
Okay. Because my this thing here, my
maybe we'll take it and conclude. Maybe we come back and conclude. Can we continue, sir? Bring her exhibit 4.
That is claiming terminal benefits. Are you not that is entitled to terminal benefits? You want to shift it?
Don't worry.
I should help you prove your case. It is when you are discharged.
You said that anybody that will work for 5 years is not entitled to have it. You see,
before I see you, it is entitled to that.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
I'm just allowing this case to proceed.
Yes, my lord. Please, can I have exhibit 4? I own exhibit 4. Of the claimant. Yes. Mr. Godspower.
Yes, miss.
You were aware of exhibit PEB4. The affidavit of Imedu, affidavit of the second defendant. Were you aware of this affidavit?
Yes, please, I'm aware. I think the justice is busy. Can we hold on? Can we hold on for him, please?
Just witness. I don't know if you can see these documents. That's the document he is talking about.
Yes.
These affidavits deposed to by the second defendant.
Yes, please. I'm aware of this document, not from the second defendant, but from the claimant.
Okay.
You say you are saying it.
Yes, he said, but it's not from the second defendant, that it is from the claimant.
But you saw it.
Yes,
you saw
of course,
it wherever it came from.
I saw it, and I have a lot to say about it.
Did you at any time, were you at any time given another affidavit countering this exhibit 4?
Who is supposed to give me that affidavit, please? Because the affidavit is coming
at
from
any time, did you have any other affidavits?
No.
Either from the claimant or the second defendant?
No.
Yes. He said it is from the claimant.
Yes, I'm asking whether at any time you got a counter affidavit or anything contrary to it.
No.
Did you at any time?
Justice, can you unmute? It was better when you were not on mute. It was better.
Or whether he saw any other affidavit apart from that?
No, I have answered no. I didn't get. But can I say something? Am I allowed to say something concerning this?
I don't see any other.
No, this was the only affidavit I got from the claimant. But can I say something? Can I be allowed to say something concerning this?
Let's continue with his question.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, my lord. Mr. God's power, you have tendered before this court date in beneficiary KYC form.
Yes, please. But for the affidavit, I needed to say something about that before we leave that.
You have tendered it. My question is, there is nothing in that form to show that it was payment meant for insurance policy. There is nothing on that form to show that it was payment made for insurance policy, not for terminal benefit.
My lord, I'm sorry, I have to come in here. Counsel has been hammering on terminal benefit life. My lord, there is no dispute as to terminal benefit or life insurance policy. What they came here for is that whatever entitlement that is due to the deceased beneficiaries, that it should be paid to the claimant solely.
But if you look at this relief number D, he sent an order that the only next of kin of the deceased, the first defendant, is entitled to pay 100% retirement benefits.
Yes,
100% of the retirement benefits of the deceased to him, claimant, to hold same in trust and to manage same in the interest of beneficiaries.
Exactly. So, my lord, there is no dispute as to life assurance policy.
No, there is a dispute because there is a difference.
They did not even join issues with respect to that. There is no reply.
What they are saying is that money is a deceased terminal benefit.
Simple.
It's not, death in, what do you call it? Okay, death in. That is their claim. That money is the deceased terminal benefit, not death in beneficiary. That's why they are saying that it's true that you have tendered. Is there anything that shows that in death in beneficiary form, that's they are the
it was insurance.
Is there anything that shows that? It is for
insurance.
Okay, it's for life insurance. That's his question.
My lord, what we are even saying is that they have not even joined issues with us as per our defense.
But his claim is that he's claiming for the terminal benefit of the deceased. And that's why he's hammering that the money given to the claimant and the second defendant was not, the what do you call it?
The life insurance.
Yes.
Yeah, that's where we are saying that upon our statement of defense, it was incumbent if they had issues with that. It was incumbent on them to file a reply to our statement of defense. My lord, there is no reply to our statement of defense.
But it's still a cross-examination.
As court pleases.
Yes. So maybe in the course of address, you can
as court pleases.
Whatever's not pleaded, we go to know issue.
As court pleases. We are.
My lord, it's style. What they allege, they have to prove whether we join issues or not. And we are getting out these facts on cross-examination. That is the power of cross-examination.
What they allege?
They said it was terminal benefit, and they have tendered documents. They said it was insurance.
And did you file a reply to it?
I did not to. I did not file.
Okay.
I did not.
It's okay.
I did not.
When it comes to address, we'll
yes.
that out.
If you allege a thing, you must prove it.
Okay, so your question is that exhibit BRW.
BRW1.
Is it 1 or 2?
No, it's attached to 1.
No, 1 is the biodata form. Then okay. 2 is death in beneficiary.
Death in beneficiary, okay.
So your question is that
in exhibit BRW2,
yes,
there is nothing to show that payment or that form is talking about terminal, is talking about life insurance or insurance paid by your policy.
Mr. Gospower.
Yes, please.
He's saying that your document titled Death in Beneficiary. He said in that document there's nothing that is showing that the payment made was for life insurance. That is his question to you.
Yes. For this one here is for us to know our clients. That's how we call it KYC.
KYC,
okay?
Yes.
Yes. And if I'm allowed to speak freely, it goes in contrast to the affidavit that he has tendered just now. Saying
no, we're not talking about, we're
I was trying to say, let me talk about that.
No, please,
Mr. Okay, I'm sorry.
Yes, we're talking about
I agree. Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay.
Death in beneficiary form. This question is whether there is anything that shows that the payment made was for life insurance policy.
There's no distinction here.
Okay. It is not stated in exhibit BRW2A. Is it 2A to C? To E, that the payment made was for life assurance policy. Yes, Mr. Suko.
Witness, throw out the evidence and all the documents you have shown. Nothing, including the money you paid to both parties. Nothing shows that this money, nothing points to what this money was meant. Nothing shows in all the evidence. Nothing shows what this money was for.
Yes. Did you get the question?
Yes. Can you repeat it again, please? Sorry.
He said that there's nothing from the documents you have tendered that shows that that payment you made was for what?
Okay, I was just trying to go through something.
Okay, if there's anything from the document that you have presented showing that the payment was made for.
Okay, so but the receipt of payment tender clearly carried the receipt.
No, please. It's cross-examination. Yes, Mr. Gospower, the receipt is
Yes,
saying what?
the receipt of the payment paid
Yes.
clearly stated that this is coming from an insurance company. So
okay.
an insurance cannot be paying terminal benefits.
Sorry, okay, the receipt received the in a payment advice.
Yes.
Zenith Bank, okay.
Zenith Bank, you see the AXA Mansard Insurance
Okay,
PLC.
so Mr. Asuko, he's saying that Exhibit 3, GT Bank Online Transfer Advice shows that the payment was for life assurance policy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's written there. Sender from AXA Mansard Insurance PLC.
Okay, Exhibit BRW 3, 3A and B. Okay. Yes.
Yes, witness. Two more questions for you. I put it to you.
Yes.
Has he asked a question? I didn't hear. Sorry.
No, not yet.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Mr. Asuko.
I put it to you that.
What are you putting to him? He wants to put something to you, so we should. Yes.
That the payment went to parties was the terminal benefit of the disease.
Okay, that the payment made to the claimant.
Yes.
Halfly to the claimant and halfly to the second defendant. Did you get the question?
He has not asked. I want to put something to me actually.
That.
Okay, I'm sorry. It's my first time. I'm sorry. My first time.
It's now telling you that the payments you made to the claimant, halfly, and to the second defendant are for terminal benefit, isn't it, Mr. Asuko?
Yes, sir.
So it's a yes or no something?
No.
Okay, they're not for terminal benefits.
No.
The payments made in exhibit BRW 3A and B are not for terminal benefits. Yes?
I put it to you too that the second defendant has indicated in Exhibit 4 that she was not interested in any benefits.
Exhibit 4 of the claimant.
Of the claimant.
That is the affidavit.
Yes, sir. She had indicated that she was not interested in seeing what I had to pay to her.
He said that
true.
He said
okay, that is not true, sir.
Okay, it's not true that the second defendant had indicated that she was not interested in what?
In the terminal benefit, in any money, any benefit.
Yes.
Yes, witness.
He said it's not true that the
Witness.
that the second defendant had indicated that she was not interested in any money.
How did you brief your lawyer to conduct this case for you?
Is that relevant? But how relevant is the question? That's what I mean. Asking how relevant is the question? Okay, maybe okay, or because they're asking for cost by litigation, something. Okay, allow him to ask. Yes, Mr. Asuko, yes.
Is it true that you briefed your lawyer to conduct this case for you?
Sorry, what is the question? I didn't hear.
The question is whether it's true that you briefed your lawyer to do this case for you.
If I briefed my lawyer to do this. Sorry, sir. The
lawyer that is representing you, the lawyer that is representing you, whether you have briefed him to conduct the case for you.
It's my first time in court, but I feel we all brief our lawyers before, we all talk to our lawyers before we go to court.
Okay, so it means you briefed your lawyer.
So when he produced all the processes, did he send them to you to vet?
To do what?
So did he send them to you to confirm that he acted in his brief, in your brief?
Mr. Asuko, I don't understand this question.
Witness, are you following me?
Oh, that whether he did what? He vetted.
Did he send the other to you to sign?
Ah, no. I'll not take that. I won't take that. Did you mention it in your pleadings? No, go and read the case of it's a court of appeal decision that if you want to raise the issue of the signing of the witness statement on oath before the court or before the lawyer, you have to raise it in your pleadings. That's what the court of appeal says. Yeah, the court of appeal is there. Yes, it's there. It's there. They said if whenever any lawyer wants to raise that issue under cross-examination, he has to raise it in his plea so that the other party will join issues with him. You can't just spring surprise on the witness and say, yes, I've been using it. Eh? That's all.
Yes.
Okay. That is all for us. Mr. Re-examination. Thank you. Mr. Okere, no re-examination. And that is the case for the Mr. Okere? Okay. So, Mr. Gospower.
Yes, sir.
That will be all for you. Thank you so much. You are discharged.
Thank you, sir.
You can go. Yes.
Honor to meet you. Thank you, everyone.
Welcome. Mr. Umo. Mr. Umo. Is Mr. Umo with us? Mr. Okere, have you seen Mr. Umo from there?
From here, no, I've not seen him.
I'm not also seen him.
I saw him earlier when we started.
Yeah, so it's going to be for adjourned for his defense, but I don't know.
There's an indication that he's still there.
Okay. Mr. Umo. Mr. Umo. And Mr. Okon, hey, Mr. Okore, do you have his number? Maybe you can call him on phone. Then try him on phone so that it will.
Okay, my lord, is that?
Okay.
Hello, your worship.
Yes, Mr. Okon.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Did you believe one is discharged? Mr. Omo?
Yes, my lord. My lord, I'm calling, my lord.
Yes, I'm saying
My
that.
lord,
Did you believe? Eh?
my lord will be taking a date for the case of the second defendant.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
He said he asked for a date for the defense of the.
The second defendant, my lord.
Which date?
And the 19th day of March, subject to the royal confidence of the Honorable Court, my lord.
My lord, the 6th day of May is coming. Please check your card, your.
They are suggesting 6th of
My
May.
lord,
Check your diary,
my
6th
lord,
May.
Convenient, my lord.
Okay.
You say it's okay.
Yes.
Is this 5th or 6th?
6th.
My lord, 6th.
Okay. So cases are going to be 6th of May 2025 for the defense of the second defendant.
As a court, please.
Thank you. Okon, is that all? Huh? So, Mr. Ito
Sir.
and Andem and Mr. Perry,
Yes, my lord.
that will be all for today. I wish you all the best.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
my lord.
Thank you for your patience.
We thank my lord for the indulgence.
Thank you. So I rise.
Oh.